Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to attach these press stud poppers using hammer-on method. I bought this set on Amazon. I'll link the link down below on description. Previously I made a video on how to use these pliers on attaching these poppers on a fabric. And here's that video. Few of you found it difficult to use these pliers, so in today's video I'll show you how to use a hammer-on method. So I'll be using this tool to attach poppers on a fabric. I'll be using this old shirt which is unfortunately marked for this tutorial. Before I start, I'll explain you these poppers. So it comes with 2 ring poppers with the spikes on top. It looks like that. Next popper is called a male popper with the post in the middle. It pokes out there and it goes on top of the spiky popper like that. Next popper is called a female popper with 2 rings, with a smaller ring and with a bigger ring. So the bigger ring goes on top of the spiky popper like that, and the smaller ring goes up. Now I'll show you how to attach these press stud poppers on a shirt. First, I'm poking a sensor on this shirt so I can align both poppers together evenly. First, I'll be attaching a female popper. Looks like that. So I'll be attaching this ring popper on top of the shirt like that, in a line of that marked sensor. I'm poking all of the spikes out on the left side. I'm using tweezers to get all of the spikes out evenly. Then I'm placing this female popper so the small ring is facing up and the bigger ring goes on top of the spikes. This step is very important. Make sure that small ring is facing up on the right side and bigger ring goes down on spikes. I'll be using this tool to hammer those 2 poppers together. And this is how it looks after I hammered both snap poppers together. Looks very nice and secure. Next, I will attach a male popper. So this step is quite tricky. So you have to kind of put the female popper on top of the male popper. So male popper will go there and female popper will go on top. So the spiky ring, this ring, will go under on the left side of the shirt there. Again, I'm lining that spiky ring with the marked sensor and I'm poking those spikes with the tweezers evenly. So all of the spikes are there. Then I'm taking a male popper and placing that male popper on top of the spikes, pressing them together with a finger, and then I'm taking this tool and attaching those 2 poppers together using a hammer. And this is how it looks after I attach those 2 poppers together. Looks quite secure, a little bit loose on top there, so I'm gonna hammer a bit more those 2 poppers together so they are securely attached. So this looks good. So now I'll try these poppers. If you have any questions how to attach these metal stud poppers, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.